Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about C language. We will also see why C language has largest scope in programming. Also we will find the important features of a C language. So let's begin. Suppose these are two businessmen meet each other for making a deal. For making the deal, they should have proper communication. They can use any language, for example, English, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu. Similarly, for make proper communication with our computer, we should have to use any programming language. And here we use the C language. So friends, any programming language, for example, C++, Java, Python is made to make proper communication with our computer. And here we will learn about C language. So C is the preferred language for building a strong programming foundation. Programming has many concepts that you need to be clear. For example, classes, objects, polymorphism, inheritance, etc. etc. And the modern programming language build upon these concepts. And C is the language where you can found the basis of these concepts. And C is the best language for those who are new in programming. It is simple to understand. So why it is simple to understand? So we can break the big C code within the blocks using a function, and as a result, it is easy to understand. It is used in embedded programming. So C is used in embedded programming, which is used to control the microcontrollers. And microcontrollers are used in robotics, automation, and computer. So friends, learning the C helps you here as well. So C is also fast language. The code which we write in C programming language compile and execute much faster than other programming languages. So it is used to build PC games. So C is also helpful for those students which are aspire to make the career in game development. So guys, let's see most important features of the C language. So C is simple and efficient. So due to simple syntax of the C language, it is the simple language for the users which are new in programming language. And due to this, C introduced as the introductory language in school and colleges. The C is faster language. So friends, basically the statically typed programming languages like the C are faster than dynamically ones. And C is compile based programming language. Hence, the time for compilation and execution is much faster than other languages which are interpreter based. For example, Python and Java. So C has built-in libraries. So what is the built-in libraries in the C? So basically, for example, we used the stdio.h, conio.h are the libraries in which the numerous functions are included, and we are directly use this function for making the code easy. For example, in standard input output library, there is the printf function. With the help of this function, we can print the message on the screen. You can see there is the feature of dynamic memory allocation. So what is the dynamic memory allocation? Suppose if we declare an array of size 5, then it will take 20 byte memory. And if we wish to add more 2 bytes in runtime, we cannot able to allocate it. And on the other hand, if we declare the memory dynamically using malloc or calloc function in C, we able to allocate memory in a runtime. We will deeply learn these concepts in C course. So in C, we can declare the pointer variables. So what are the pointer variables? So the pointer variables are special type of variables that can able to store the address of another variable. Suppose if I declare the variable int a, it will store the integer value as 76, and the address of this variable is suppose 100. And if we declare the pointer variable by this syntax, means int star b is equal to a, then it will store the address of the variable a. So friends, like, share and subscribe the video. Not forget to hit bell icon. So friends, we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.